Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Popsicle eraser updated. Gather eraser clay, popsicle stick molds, a blade, sandpaper, and optional paint. Condition clay until soft and even, then press into the mold, trim excess, and prepare for curing or baking according to the clay instructions while staying organized and patient throughout the steps. Start with clean hands and a clear workspace to keep tiny erasers neat and consistent. Knead clay until it feels soft, then press into the popsicle mold firmly and evenly to avoid gaps. Use a blade to trim edges and a small tool to score stick slots. Then cure or bake following the clay instructions and allow pieces to cool before moving on to sanding and detailing. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more craft videos and tips. Quick recommendation. I use a set of leak-proof containers that make cleanup and ingredient prep so much easier in my studio. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for helping the channel grow and for your support. Now let's get back to the video. After curing, sand each eraser lightly to remove seams and to refine the shape. Use thin acrylic paints to add stripes, fruit specks, or gradients, then seal with a matte or glossy varnish depending on the desired look. Insert or glue the miniature stick, let everything dry fully, and inspect each piece for final touch-ups to ensure durable, polished popsicle erasers ready for use or gifting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.